Hello and welcome to day number 100 already. So the first 100 days of our Travel Trader series. And it's great that it's a round number because something that we achieved today is that we, in total, since we started, more than tripled our money. So that's very nice for 100 days. So we have 3 times more than with what we started. And one of the reasons why today went so well is because I'm back here now at home, and as you have noticed over the last few days, I'm back to doing this index trading. So this morning I put up 2 different trades. The first one was a very quick one. Actually, I did the index trading like in the first 20 minutes. So 2 trades in general, and the first one plus €543.75. And the second one, that was the longer running one. So the first one was just like 2 minutes or so, and then I just got in. Markets went up, I took my money. And the second one was more a longer term one. So after 20 minutes, I closed it and made an additional €2,070. So in total, with index trading, we were up €2,613.75. That's a great result for 20 minutes. So afterwards I decided to go downstairs, lay at the pool in the sunshine, reading a book about past financial crashes. So get a little bit more insight on these as well, and see if I can derive anything out of these. Then the next trade that was exited today was cotton. So we came down a little bit, got stopped out with a profit of €1,557.50, which means in total for today we are up €4,171.25. So that's a phenomenal result, more than €4,000, and in total we are now up to €63,000. Started at 20, we're taking out money occasionally for charity, and 5,000 every month anyway. So we, if we wouldn't live from it, if we wouldn't take the money out for living, we would be even further. But tripling your money in 100 days is either way a very great result. So we still have some trades open, so let's start with them. First one is wheat. We are back in a positive, although I think we were positive yesterday already, but we are up with plus €92.40. The next one on our list is something that I opened today, that's corn. Corn was up €110. Oil still up, going nice in our direction, plus €156.60. And the next one on our list is soybeans. Soybeans also up €45. Only trade that is down currently is US dollar Japanese yen, and we are down at around minus €825. So we might get stopped out soon, even today. And the last one on our list is our real estate trade, and there we are up $4,158. So something that worked out very, very well. If you wonder about the reason, today there was a new program announced from the Federal Reserve in the United States to cover the big unemployment rate going up. So we had another 6.6 million in unemployment claims last week in the US alone, but to cover it around the same time, news came out that there's a $2.3 trillion US dollar program from the Federal Reserve to support the economy, so that made markets go up very, very nicely. By that time I was at the pool, so I didn't actually trade it within the day, but of course our real estate investment trust profited from that. So we are up $4,158, which means we still have unrealized earnings or unrealized profits at the moment of another €3,430. So that's a great position to start into the next week. Tomorrow, Friday, stock markets are closed. Good Friday, so the day before Easter. So our week ends early, means we have a bit more time to do more about education. So tomorrow we will have a look at different things, and Saturday, Sunday, Monday we can use the time to talk about different topics in the stock market. If you have any topic that you want to have covered specifically, let me know in the comment section, and I can have a look at it and talk about it, so we can adjust this program to whatever you are interested in. So, update for today, we made €4,171.25 in profits for today. Have another unrealized profits of €3,430. Tripled our money, or more than tripled our funds in a 100-day. Great start, and I'm looking forward to the next 100 days. Until then, we see each other again tomorrow. Have a great evening. Later on, if you're interested and are from Germany, there will be the speech that I couldn't hold anymore in Germany due to the virus incident. I will offer as a webinar, so you can get the same information and free strategy to benefit from the markets going up in the future. So you're more than welcome to join us there, and otherwise we will see again tomorrow. Have a great evening. Thank you and goodbye.